Hello, welcome again. We are solving some questions of theory of machine. The topic is displacement, velocity, and acceleration of planar mechanism. Question number 48 to 50 carries a common statement. The statement is in the figure below, OS crank is driven at 2 revolutions per second and slider slides along PS. All dimensions are in mm. The dimensions of OS, OP and PQ are 250, 500 and 750. 250 is 500 and 750 respectively. Question number 48. The angular speed of PQ in revolution per second at this instant. Option A 1 by 3, option B 2 by 3, option C 2 and option D 3. Question number 49. The velocity of slider at this instant in meter per second in upward direction. Option A 0, option B 1 by 3 meter per second, option C 2 meter per second, option D 3 meter per second. Question number 50. The coefficient component of acceleration in meter per second scale is option A 1 by 3, option B 0, option C 2 and option D 8. So here this is the topmost point and this is your O, Q is your crank and S is your slider and PS is your PQ is your connecting rod. This is your 250 mm, this is your 500 mm. Okay, so velocity of angular velocity of crank is given. So angular velocity of crank is 2 revolution per second and length of crank is 250. So velocity of point Q is your angular velocity of crank OQ, angular velocity of OQ into 250, that is 2 into 250, that is 500. Okay, so the velocity of point Q can also be determined when we consider it on link PQ. Initially we considered it on link OQ, now we consider it on link PQ. Suppose VPQ will be the is the angular velocity of link PQ, and the distance of this point from the center of rotation, that is point P, is 250 plus 500, that is 750. So but the velocity of this point should remain same whether it is on link OQ or it is on link PQ. Okay, so equating these two, we can find out P V the omega PQ, that is 2 by 3 radian per second. Okay, so answer is option B. Question number answer to question of 48 is option B, that is 2 by 3. Now the velocity of slider in at this point in upward direction. So as this is the topmost point and it will not go further up, and now it will start moving downward, and initially its velocity will be 0. So after reaching the top point, so the answer is 0. So velocity of slider in the upward direction is 0 as it moves. This is the topmost position. Okay, so answer is 49. And answer question number 50 is the coefficient component of acceleration has no velocity of slider in upward direction or in downward. The angular velocity of link omega PQ and angular velocity of link PQ and angular velocity of link as slider will move along this Q, but it now at this instant is not moving, so we will take the angular velocity of slider angular velocity of PQ and the velocity of slider is 0. So the coefficient component of acceleration will also be 0. So answer is option B. So answer to question number 48 is your 2 by 3, option B, and answer to question number 49 is 0, option A, and answer to question number 50 is also B, so that is 0. So